Hi everyone. We're going to learn today how to multiply two-digit number by a two-digit number using partial product. So the first problem we're going to multiply is 13 times 18. And I've already created my box, 13 down. Let me use black for that. 13 down by 18 across. And I want to break apart the model into smaller pieces, into tens and ones. So what I want to do is I want to break this section apart into a 10 by 10 piece right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 10 up here and 10 over there. And that's my 10 by 10. What I have left up here is 8. And what I have left on the bottom is 3. And I'm going to color the rest of my sections in according to this right here. So green will be my 10 by 8. So this was going to be green right here. You can color yours better than mine. I'm just doing it real quick. Yellow, or like an orangish yellow, will be 10 and 3, so or 3 times 10, which would be this section right here. And my last section I will color is my 8 times 3. All right, now that you've done that, we're going to start multiplying them. 10 times 10. So how many little boxes are in that section? It'll be 10 times 10, which would be 100. 10 times 8 is how many boxes are in this section, which would be 80. 3 times 10 is how many boxes are in this section. 3 times 8 is this section right here, and that would be 24. So I'm going to fill it in right here. 80, 30, and 24. And then we're going to add it up. I'm going to write it out. 100 plus 80. Make sure you line them up carefully. I can't stress that enough. If you do all this work and then line them up, and mine's not very neat because I'm trying to write it on the computer, but if you do that and you don't line them up carefully, it's not, you're going to get the wrong answer maybe. Just be really careful. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 8. 0 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2. I'm going to add my 2 and my 8 together, and I know that's 10 plus 3 more would be 13. Carry my 1. That is 20. I'm sorry, that is 13. Carry my 1 plus the 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So for that one, the answer is 234. All right. Let's go to the next page. We're going to break it apart, but we're going to break it apart into different numbers. Last time they told us to break it apart into by the tens and the ones. This time we can break it up in a different one. So the first one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it apart into a right here 9. I'm making the line a little darker. I didn't do that in the last one because we used the lines, the darker blue lines already there. But this time I'm going to do that so that you can see exactly where we're breaking it apart. And a 9. All right, now I'm going to go use the highlighting tool and highlight the different sections. We know first this was my 13 again, and this was my 18 up here. And now we've broken it into section 9 by 9. And this is a 9 and a 4. 9 and 4 and a 9 and a 9. All right, so we've labeled. Now we need to shade. Let's shade the same colors as we did last time. This will be right there. Next will be our green. No, you don't have to use these colors, but I'm just doing the exact ones I did the first time that were in the book. 4. Whoops. Next one was an orangish color. Maybe more of a fleshy. And last but not least was like a pinkish purplish color. All right, now I need to find how many boxes are in each one of those. How many boxes are in here? Well, we know it's 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Now we're going to look for this box. So it's going to be 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Now we're going to do this box, which is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 is a 36. And we're going to do this box is 4 by 9 again is a 36. So let's fill in our blanks right here. 81, 81, 36, and a 36, which equals, let's line them up and down. 81. I'm going to put the other 81 on top just because I don't know if I'm going to have enough room. 36, 36. Then I'm going to add them together. I'm going to put my 1 and my 6 together and my 1 and my 6 together. I know that will be 7. And 7 plus 7 is 14. And over here, I'm going to put my 3 and my 8 together and my other 3 and 8 together. And I know that's 11 and 11 plus 1. 11 plus 11 is 22. Plus 1 more would be 23. And it's the same number. No matter how I split it apart, you got the same number. You can try that problem again with another splitting it apart a different way and see if you get the same number. No matter how you split it apart, you should always come up with the same number. So that is how you use partial product to find the product when you multiply the 2 by 2 numbers together. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.